In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Gusto to QuickBooks Online. To begin, sign into your Gusto account and go to your main dashboard. You are looking for the app directory. This is where Gusto lists the tools and integrations you can connect to your account. Click App Directory to open it. Once you are in the directory, you can either search or scroll through the list to find QuickBooks Online. Searching is usually faster, especially if you have many apps displayed. When you see QuickBooks Online in the results, select it to open the integration page. This page is where you will start the connection and review what information will sync between the two systems. Now choose Connect. At this point, Gusto will prompt you to log into your QuickBooks account. Enter your QuickBooks login details and complete any sign-in steps that appear, such as a verification code if your account uses extra security. Make sure you are signing into the correct QuickBooks company, especially if you manage more than one. After you log in, you will be taken to an authorization screen. This is where QuickBooks asks for permission to connect with Gusto. Read through the access request so you understand what is being shared, then authorize the connection to continue. Authorization is required so Gusto can send payroll-related entries to QuickBooks Online. Next, you will map accounts. This is an important part of the setup. Mapping accounts means you will match Gusto categories, such as wages, to the correct accounts in your QuickBooks chart of accounts. Take your time here, because accurate mapping helps ensure your payroll transactions post to the right places in your books. If you are unsure which account to pick, choose the one that best matches the expense type you want to track in QuickBooks, and stay consistent with your existing accounting structure. Once your account mapping is complete, select Save. Saving locks in your settings and finishes the connection. After that, your integration is set up and ready to use based on the preferences you just saved. And that is all there is to it.